everybody, it's your girl Christy and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another one, you guys. I really wanted to do this. What is up with this hair right here? I really wanted to do a video that was like a 5-minute like put on your makeup challenge, but unfortunately my ass cannot do no makeup in no 5 minutes because it takes a little bit more time for me and I'm more in depth with my makeup. So we're going to put up here my everyday look makeup with a touch of pop of color on the lip, because that's just what it is right now. It's fall time and these are my basic days where I'm just dressed literally in a t-shirt, some leggings, and a denim shirt. So yeah, you guys, that's exactly what it's going to be today. Let's get right on to it. I'm in the gym. I had to work out, so this video was done in the gym. Again, it's going to be me more of the mute in there, and then just, you know, me talking over as a voiceover. So hey guys, welcome. All right, let's get into this makeup tutorial. So I have a nice clean face. My eyebrows and nothing is done to my face. It's plain Jane, you guys. So next I'm using my Morphe pencil that I got from the Morphe store. I'm actually going to shade in my brows. I like to shade in my brows to the shape of my brow. Everyone has their own eyebrow shape. Please find yours and create it. Do not be making up your eyebrows using square notes or whatever that it is that you guys be doing to do these brows. It is so simple and it is so easy, and it's my favorite part. So I'm doing my other brow as well. As I'm talking to my friend, as you guys can see, I'm like back and forth. By the way, I'm at the gym, so you're gonna see people walking back and forth. They really just want to be in my video. Hey guys! Next, I'm gonna go through and I'm going to conceal my eyebrow. I am using the Lancome from Sephora. The color is Praline number 10. I like to go a little bit lighter in my concealer. I use two different concealers normally, but for my brows, I always go a little bit lighter, and then I'll blend into my skin. And then, yeah. Now I'm going to my other brow, and I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did to my first brow. Just concealing it, creating my shape to give me a nice clean finish, you guys. So once I'm done concealing my brows, I'm going to go in and conceal some of these spots. These, bags under my eyes, y'all. These bags. Ooh, honey, no. Then we're going to go in and we're going to take a flat brush. My flat foundation brush, and I'm going to clean up my brows with that, blending in that concealer into my skin. This is totally fine, you guys. A lot of people do this. You know, normally I use a Q-tip and water, but this is good. So after that, I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that concealer right into my skin with the beauty blender. It's giving it a nice, clean, smooth finish. You want to make sure that this concealer is blended into your skin and it's just not sitting there, you guys. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline. It's a concealer. It's a darker concealer. I actually use two, you guys, because I be having dark circles and I just ain't got time to be looking at a hot ass mess on a daily basis. So this is my Maybelline. I got it from Target, y'all. I'm going to also go in with my beauty blender again to conceal that. This is giving me double the coverage, you guys. It's going to give me a nice, clean, sharp finish, in which I like to have when I am doing my makeup. I don't want anything to show. Hey elves, this is my e.l.f. setting powder, you guys. I use this because my face is oily, and I'm using it honestly to give me a nice matte finish to go along with my makeup, because since my skin is oily, you know, just putting on a foundation will just kind of keep it oily. This is going to be able to have it to be matte and stay. Let's go in with my medium stipple brush, you guys, and we're going to clean up that e.l.f. setting powder. Yes, girl, blend it on in. Next, we're going to go in with our True Fit me, or True Me, not True Fit by Maybelline. You guys, got this from Target. I'm not sure really of how I like this foundation. I really like the Rihanna foundation better, but I'm gonna use it and see, and you know, just maybe I'll use it on the YouTube videos, but I probably just continue to use the Rihanna in person or when I'm going to a different event. I'm just gonna blend this into my skin, you guys. I actually used 2 coats of this, so we're going to add our Kat Von B setting spray to our face right now to set that foundation. Next, we're going to go in and we're going to highlight our face. We're going to we're going to put it into the little tube that I have. You guys, I made that up. That's actually my old MAC concealer. That is so ghetto, but hey, it is what it is. You got to use your stuff. We're going to take that beauty blender. We're going to dip that beauty blender into that concealer, and we're just going to put it on our chin. We're going to put it underneath our eyes, and we're also going to put it on our temple of our forehead, you guys. This is going to create a nice highlight for our face, and it's just really going to set the tone for the makeup. I think it's just so fabulous. This is really nice. I love it. And again, you want to go a little bit lighter, you guys, than your normal makeup. You want to have a nice glow. So I would get like at least 2, maybe 3 shades lighter if you like. And then we're just going to blend that in, you guys. And make sure it's somewhat blended, but not fully blended to where you can't see that, okay? We do want a nice glow to the face, but we don't want to blend it all in. I mean, that makes no sense. So just make sure you have a little bit, you know, popping out when it comes to the lightness. But we don't want to like Michael Jackson either, you guys. We got to keep it, you know, blended, but not too white, you know? So, hey. No offense to Michael Jackson, you guys. God bless his soul. Next, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette from Target. I'm going to use the darker shade first, which I believe is the contour, to kind of, you know, give my cheeks, my bottom cheeks, a nice slim effect, okay? So yeah, girl, rub it on in. Get that contour going. Yes, girl, yes. Next, I'm going to do the middle one, which is Sculpt, you guys. And I'm going to go on the inner part of my cheek. So if you want to turn your mouth, your face and your mouth a certain way, definitely do that. So that way you're aiming to get that in the middle crease of your cheek. And that's going to make your set your face and make it look like as if you have a really nice structured, like, you know, face. Next, I'm going to go in with that contour again, and we're going to slim the nose. I'm just going to slim my nose. My nose is really slim, you guys. I don't need to do this. I'm just being extra.com. So I'm just going to do it anyways, part of the process. Why not? Hey, so what? So we're going to do that, and then we're just going to clean it up and brush it off, you guys, with a little brush. Yeah, girl, make sure you get it all. Don't forget any. Don't forget, no, we don't want any flaws going on with this makeup, okay? After that, I'm going to go in with the highlighter. And I'm going to highlight my nose. So we want a nice little glow on the face, you guys, where the nose is. Just give me a little bit. And honestly, I don't like this highlighter in this palette. It doesn't come up that well. I had to kind of smush it with the bottom of the brush. So, I mean, it's not really that vibrant, but hey. Next, I'm going to go in with this blush, you guys. I got this blush. It's Black Radiance. I got it from Target. It's like a nice, like, deep, like, pink color. You know, it's really, really pretty. Fuchsia. I want to say dark, deep, but it's really pretty, you guys. I'm just going to do some little pat puffs on there. I don't want to put too much on there. We're not trying to look like Barbie. But oh girl, why would you put that much on there? God damn it. So we're going to go over that and we're going to highlight that to kind of tone it down because that is too much. I look like Ronald McDonald. Do you hear me? Like, what is going on, Kristen? Let's get it together. So we're just going to clean that up, you guys, with some highlight, you know, to kind of tone it down. You know, we want a nice glow. This is a natural look. And we're just continuously going, okay, girl, you have to use the whole thing at this point. I mean, how much more are we going to use? I thought we had enough the first time, but now we're still going through this with this. And I mean, then you're going to go all up your temple where you just did your, you know, your contour. I mean, this has gone too far. All right, so we're done. All right, we're done with that part, guys. Yes, girl, work it. Work it. Okay. Oh, girl, why would you go in with some more? You don't need any more. That was enough already. What happened? So now we're going to go in with this very sexy Victoria's Secret glitter shimmer. You guys, I've had this for so long, probably since I was in maybe 19 or 20 years old. But we're going to use that nice fan brush, and we're just going to add a little bit of that shimmer onto our cheeks with that fan brush, just to give a little bit of glow, a shimmer there, as if we already don't have enough. We have tons of glitter now. Can't tell me nothing. I'm going to be shining bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes, girl. Just use the whole container at this point. I mean, again, you're just going too far with this. This is just ridiculous. All right, so we're continuously adding more and more of this shimmer to our face, you guys, to give us a nice glow. It's total fab. I love this. This is my favorite shimmer. Just love it. Sorry, you guys, I actually already put the lipstick on prior to this. I forgot to hit the record button, but you get the point. I've added more of a nice darker tone of a red lip. This is a nice fall color. It's gorgeous. All right, guys, this completes my look. This is gorgeous. Yes, fabulous. Yes, work that camera. Show them what you're working with. Yes, girl. Yes. This color is fabulous, you guys. This is my natural, basic look every day. Hey. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go and subscribe right now. Also, click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I upload new videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.